Welcome back to McFall Farms. I'm Bo McFall. We believe strongly in faith, family, and farm life. Today we're going to do something a little different. If you work on the farm and you have tools and you work with tools, things happen. Sometimes things break. So today we've got a broken 1/2" impact that we're going to show you how to repair. The anvil here on the end is twisted off, and we're going to show you how to replace that. Quick, easy, and simple. So that being said, let's get to it. We said the anvil is broken on the end of this impact, so we're going to show you how to replace that super fast and easy. Okay, so this is our replacement anvil. The anvils come a couple different ways. This particular one had the hole through the anvil, which in my opinion is a little bit weaker. So what we did was we ordered the C-Ring Style Anvil, which is a solid anvil. Camera focus, a solid anvil with a C-ring type clip. I'll leave some affiliate links down below to the parts and things we use in doing this repair. Feel free to take a look at that, and it'll show you where you can purchase these items. This is the Dewalt DC899 1/2" cordless impact. Has a T20 Torx screws. There's 4 Torx screws here in the end. And all we're going to do is take those loose. A little too stiff to get loose with just a screwdriver. So a little quick thing I find real easy. Put a pair of pliers on it just to get them broke loose. We'll break those 4 screws loose, and then we'll be able to take them out by hand. Simple, easy procedure. Once we get on the inside of this, the armature will be greased, so you may want to put on some rubber disposable gloves. I'm actually going to grab some of those and put those on before we go too much further. So then once we have those broke loose, we can simply just take those 4 screws out. Alright, so you see we got the 4 screws removed out of the end here on all 4 corners. Then we're simply just going to wiggle this shaft till it comes loose. That entire armature gear assembly will come out. So then that gear assembly lines back up and go back in there. You can see the grease in there, it's a little messy. All we do is then push in on the bottom of this to drop that whole assembly loose. And then this detent pin, since this one's broken, it's not going back through the same hole, we're going to go ahead and break it the rest of the way off. Now it'll drop right back out of there. New one fits down over the shaft. Basically sits just right back down over that pin, so it moves. Then we're going to take that, line it back up on the gears in the spline shaft here. Going to turn that till it lines up. Turn it till it lines up and locks in. Now this is a part where if you'd like you can add some grease around in that armature. This particular unit seems like it has plenty of grease, so I'm not going to bother to add any additional grease into this. While you got it apart, it's a good idea to inspect your other pieces and parts. This one looks great. All we do then, reverse that order, slide that shaft back over, put your 4 screws in, tighten those down, you're ready to go to work. Put those 4 screws back in the housing, snap the battery on it, good to go. Again, I'll leave a link down below to where you can get the parts for this as well as a new tool. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, if this gave you some benefit, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, leave some cards up above for other great videos so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching McFall Farms.